everybody, Gordo here, and today I'm playing some Nowhere Realm. Wait. Holy crap. Who is doing this? Who is pushing poor Strasbourg Thomas to his limits? Also, what's going on, chat? Oh, the only box what I see is the summer. Wait, alright. Anyways. Let's pick an engine here. Gordon, of course. I gotta go, pilot. I go to. Now, what should we do? Alright, I have to finish off my incredible collection. All I need is Anchor Gordon and I can finish this. Believe you me, I'm gonna do it. And I know it. As you can see, I'm poor. Because I've been just buying every single shop variant. And do you know how much it goes? 1 million. Like, ooh. That is a lot. And Pilot Gordon doesn't really go that fast. But fear not. Figured out that pretty much every single engine is overpowered, and it can pull any length of rolling stock. Now prove it by making the longest express that Pilot Gordon has ever pulled in its days. Definitive pack is overpowered. Because apparently the definitive one is the only source of realism. Weird. Not long. You see this? It's not long enough. Gotta go longer. Even longer. We're not. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. Oh, crap. Shoot. Shoot. No, I don't run all the way to the front, pull up. What in the... What? Real heroes... Raphael? What is the server? Oh, I love how this guy's trying to like clog up the freaking thing that I'm using. I just do love that. Such compassion, such compassion indeed. He's probably confused, like, ooh, I'm gonna block the whole spawn. Because, as you could tell, he probably just, well, bought the game. By the way, buy the game, it's a great game. Ooh. Anyways, watch this. Watch how overpowered. But it just pulls it. Like, this is not realistic. Let's go with Tinder. Let's go with Tinder. Close that. God, this long tree is dropping. High speeds. At all. Pt.1 Thomas, where's the water? Pt.1 Thomas, drop in top. The ungodly duo. The ungodly duo, indeed. This game is amazing. I should keep this all in so just like how much you make it. Doing a system to express your use or not. Like, what not, bro? I cannot find a quiet server. This is the quietest server I can find right now. You know what? I'm gonna crash this guy. I'm gonna take him up branch line. How evil of me. Isn't that right? Cool. Dan. Oh yeah, this is great. Also, the Audrey's models are just scams. They don't know nothing about Audrey's models. But they think they can make it else. Alright. Let's hit this. Come on, gotta get off the rails. Not. Dang it. It's so hard to do. Oh yeah, there's a. I know when it got good money in it. Oh shit, I don't know why why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I? No, oh no, come back, wait, no, come back, please, come back, please come back. Oh my god. That's not a good time, music. There. My god. This is gonna take a while. Alright. I know money glitch. Alright, so you gotta teleport to the. Where is it? Okay. We have to teleport to summer house. Either I'm blind. Hold up, I'm probably just blind. Oh, methyl hitman, minor saw. Rose cat? No, that's not it. Oh my god, do I have to run? Wait. What station's next? Marin? Yeah, Marin. Teleport to Marin. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get an engine real quick. Just an engine to get there. Because we're gonna want a faster. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna want a faster engine. For this money thing. I hope this works. It worked last time. It's so locked. $65, Duck, you slow. Holy. $21. Oh, what? We need more water. What? Wait, what? Oh, Edward in hospital. More water. What? I have an announcement to make. What? What is going on in the server? Alright. So, you don't want to get the Oxford summer house. Hold on. Alright, Oxford summer house. You're gonna want... What in the frick? That's a lot of water. What? Why did they just leave Bradford? Bradford, are you good, bro? Alright. Oh, we're gonna wanna go to Hero's Hideout. I'm not sure what is going on, but these guys won't get in the way of my infinite, or not infinite, but my money. It's my money. Yeah, I know. Why do you think I just left it? We're gonna get class expensive for this one. He's pretty quick. Now, go in here, boom, and then it loops us back. It's a quick way to earn money. Why is Spencer so slow? No, Philip, you will not get in the way of me. I am Spencer. I am Spencer. Yeah, alright, let's go back in that We're gonna crash. Yay. Yeah, it's getting even crazier. Water here, Philip. Water. I know. There's water tanks. Water tankers filled with water. Wow. That bridge is gonna fall. It can barely even hold Spencer's weight. What makes you think it's gonna hold 3 engines with 6 tankers? Not total, but... Alright, I'm bored. Let's just do. What's going on over there? Oh, it's Hero. I think. Yes, Hero. Oh no. Oh no, what's happening? Oh no. Oh no, Hero. Hero, oh no. Hero, break. Hero, break. No. No. Hero, no. Hero, no. Hero. Hero, no. Hero, no. Hero, no. Hero, no. Hero, no. Hero, no. Hero. Hero, no. Don't worry, Hero. Don't worry, I'll help you, Hero. 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 Don't worry, Hero. I will save you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Do not worry. Don't worry. Don't worry, Hero. Harvey to the rescue. Number 27. Harvey to the rescue. Don't worry, Hero. Don't worry. Don't worry, Hero. Don't worry. Oh no. I think Harvey might be too weak. That's too far. I got this. Alright, no. Yo, stop. Here. Oh my gosh. Oh no. We took him more off the rails. Oh no. Oh no. Yay. Yay. Yay, Hero. Yay. We did it, Hero. You saved the world. You did it, kid. You saved the world. Now I will be on my way. Harvey to the rescue, bro. Wait, what? What's going on here? Okay. Well, if you can't beat him, join him, I always say. Hello, it's me, Gordon, and I was just it's just such a lovely day. I am the best, I truly am. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, I fell into the turntable. Oh, it's Hero? No, Hero, stop smiling. Hero, you must help me. I'm so very sorry for what I called your mother fat. I'm so sorry. I hate the hit era. Please, Hero. Get us out of the hit era, Hero. Hero, stop smiling. Please. Hero. 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 Hero, help me, please. Hero. 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 Hero, stop standing there, Hero. Wait. Hero. Hero. Wait. What's this? What? Another. What is going? What is going on, bro? It's past Gordon. It's GNR Gordon. Quarry. Drowning. What? This is so weird. You're stuck. Indeed. Oh, this is making it worse. Oh no. Oh no, this just made it worse. Oh god. Oh god, no. No, no, no. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Dude. Please, Kaiju Killer. Please. Chat, am I muted? Please. It's just Gordon in a blender. Gordon in a blender. It's no use. It's no use. It's no use, Spider-Man. Well, I think this is an appropriate place to end the video off on. Don't you guys? Wait, just noticed. Oh wait, this is stupid. I'm stupid. Anyway, this seems appropriate. Will Ellie and E.R. Gordon be saved from the turntable pit, or will he continue to suffer in silence while other engines plow over his face and use the turntable like nothing happened? Will anyone ever return to these 3 cars? Find out next time. Have fun rotting in there. Bro. Okay. Yo, bro, like for part 3. Dang it. Part 2. Part 2. If this does well. Part 2. Part 2. No. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Not again. What? Does collision really work? Whatever. C. Would it want to be,